Good day to everyone. My name is Dr. Vishvendu Gaur. I'm a certified plastic surgeon practicing in the area of Delhi NCR. Today I'd like to shed some information on the topic of liposuction. It's a very commonly done procedure all over the world and also in India. Liposuction basically means that there are layers of fat in our body. Let's say there is a superficial layer of fat, there is a deep layer of fat. And liposuction is the process where we target this deep layer of fat in most of the areas and remove it. And once we remove it, so the thickness, the bulk of that area is gone and there is a much smoother contour which comes to that area. Liposuction is it's a very big weapon in the armory of a plastic surgeon in process of body contouring and giving a very smooth contour to your body. There are various types of liposuction which are described depending on the type of body contour which you have, depending on the bulk of fat which needs to be removed. All these options can be tried. There can be a normal suction assisted lipectomy where with the help of a suction machine we can remove the fat layers which are there. Then there are power assisted lipectomies which come, there are specific machines which are assisted with power and electric, and the vibrations, they help to remove the fat more easily. Then the newer machines are there. There are ultrasound assisted liposuction machines which are there. They are generally recommended in patients who've got a very high bulk of fat which is there. So it is easier. The ultrasound waves, they melt the fat, they break the fat, and with the help of the vacuum suction which is created, we remove that fat. So depending on your body contour, depending on the amount of fat, the target area which is there, we can decide and you can discuss with your plastic surgeon that which type of liposuction will be best for you. If you are liking this video so far, then please subscribe and click the bell icon below. Liposuction can be done as a single procedure itself, or it can be combined with other procedures of body contouring such as abdominoplasty, thighplasty or brachioplasty, which means removing a part of skin and subcutaneous tissue from your abdomen or from your arm or from your thigh. These are all, they form a part of body contouring procedures. In liposuction per se, what we do is that we infiltrate some amount of fluid. It's a specific fluid which is infiltrated into the deeper layers of the targeted area, and then with the help of vacuum and a machine, suction machine, vacuum operated machine or specific machines, we remove the fat from those targeted areas in a way. So it gives you a better contour. The bulk of that area is decreased, and with further pressure garments and the procedures which we do, the contour can become very smooth. There are various types of liposuctions which are available. They include a power assisted one or ultrasound assisted one, radio frequency assisted one. Depending upon what is your skin contour, what is the target area, how much bulk of the fat needs to be removed to give you a good contour, you have to discuss it with your plastic surgeon to make out which one of the procedures is best for you. Generally, if small areas are there like facial liposuction, I prefer doing a suction assisted, power assisted liposuction when we have to remove a small amount of fat and it's a very specific targeted area. If we are doing it for the whole abdomen or big thighs where good amount of fat needs to be reduced, I depend on ultrasound assisted liposuction where we can remove a bulk amount of fat and the tissue adherence is much better in those cases. So you need to discuss it with your plastic surgeon which one will suit you. Benefits of liposuction is that it gives you you have a good image of your body, you have a better confidence. There is certain areas of the body which you want to shed weight from and appear more healthy and more young. It can help as an assistant in your journey to achieving a better, younger, healthier, confident yourself. And if with a good routine, combined with a good routine, good hygiene, I think you can, your self-image is much improved. Generally speaking, liposuction is a very safe procedure if done by an experienced and a qualified individual and a plastic surgeon. Most of the problems which arise are due to when we target a lot of areas at once. What I do is generally that if I have to do liposuctions in 3-4 targeted areas, then I divide my procedures and I do it in stages. Till 3 to 4 liters of fat, if I have to aspire, I do it in one stage. But if more areas are to be targeted or the bulk is much more, then I do it in a stage procedure to prevent complications. Complications can be swelling, edema, hematoma formation, which is there. They all settle with time. There may be some infection which may happen to the incision sites, which is also very rare. The commoner things are that if you removed excess amount of fat, then there may be some amount of skin sagging which takes place. But it is generally we avoid all these with the pre-operative checkups with the patient and by seeing the skin elasticity which is there. And other than that, there is a risk of fat embolism, but that generally happens in cases in which we do excessive amount of fat removal which is done. So if we do it in a staged manner, if excess of fat removal is done, the procedure is very safe. Hope I have helped you to understand this topic of liposuction. It is a very commonly done procedure and a very safe procedure which is done worldwide and in India. If you have any further queries regarding this topic, you can feel free to put your suggestions and your questions in the comment box below. Thank you for listening to this video, and if for further informative videos, you can subscribe to HexaHealth and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much.